So we are at one of our favorite places. Well, we've been here once. This is our second time coming to this beautiful botanical garden. I forgot the name of it.
Something.
I had this one.
We'll put the name on it. But yes, we love spending time in nature together. That's the crew. I don't have my little selfie stick. That's pretty cool.
Follow me. Stop. I'm a bear.
It's some type of fruit tree.
Yeah, they growing some.
It's like a pear.
Look, they got barrage over here. Huh?
This is a kefir pear.
Oh. They got some barrage growing. They look like mint. They got some pear trees growing. Oh yeah, you can see the pears. This is a really dope botanical garden because they also grow food.
Strawberry?
Yeah, they grow food as well as like plants and stuff, which is something that we aspire to do. Honestly, just talking about my dreams, I would love to have like a flower farm, community garden, something like this, like an educational center, resource for homeschooling families. Something that I would love to do where you can come out, be with your family, explore nature, but also host classes, family events, social events. Parents can host classes, all types of things where families can come to learn and grow together. Look at it. I think that's a white moth butterfly. It's so beautiful here.
Oh, I wonder how they got their timber mill to be so.
I know. We just gotta keep practicing. It also has to do with the soil too though. We gotta like, you know, be testing our soil. Look at the bees doing God's work.
Yeah. Why are we
They experience nature.
Yeah, just out here in nature. It's a chipmunk. It was a chipmunk. So now we are actually coming into the main part of the garden, which is super, super beautiful. Look at this space. Oh my goodness. It says throw wishes, not stones. Look at the little fish in there. Look at this.
How to get a bee? What is that bee?
Moss
Why is
Yeah, it looks like moss.
and algae.
Yeah, it's probably algae moss. Stuff like that grows. Bacteria and different other organisms that grow in water and sun. When you got water, sun, soil, you got the other stuff starts to grow. Living things start to grow. Because the sun and water help things to grow.
right?
Yeah. Oh my God, y'all. It's so beautiful out here. This is why I love being in nature. Just sitting out in the sun. Yeah, it's a butterfly by us flying around, just enjoying life and moments. More of the space. Yeah. When we first came here, it was nothing up there. We could run up there. And now they got stuff growing.
When you were a kid, your mom and daddy used to take you to this place?
No, because we didn't grow up here. This is Kernersville, right? A city right beside High Point. But mom grew up in Fayetteville and dad grew up in Greensboro in New York City.
But guys, and you want maybe that maybe you got drugged all the way to daddy's.
Oh, they still got that space closed off over there.
Daddy's house, all the way to daddy's house. Let's go.
No, I don't know why, but when I was younger, we didn't go to spaces like community gardens. I mean, not community gardens. Well, even them, community gardens and botanical gardens. We didn't go to spaces like that. Like we went to, you know, fun, the movies. We went traveling. I would go with my family, my dad's side of the family, each year to Disney World. That was a great experience when I was a kid.
To Disney World.
What else?
I planted to go to Disney.
Yeah, we didn't really, like growing up, I didn't really hear a lot of people talking about nature, even though I have family that were farmers. I have family that were slaves. My great-great-grandpa was a slave. And my great-great-grandma worked in agriculture. And so, but my generation and even my mom's generation, we didn't really spend a lot of time. Like we spent time outside, but we didn't go to like nature spaces. I don't even really remember going to the beach like that as a kid. You know? So yes, I want to start. The reason why I'm also into garden education and nature-based education is because I think it's important for us to be connected to the place that we live on, the earth. Nature is important. Without nature, we wouldn't be here. Without the trees, we couldn't live. Without the bees, we couldn't breathe. So we need to appreciate nature spaces and grow a love for nature. So that's why I think garden education, nature-based education is so important, because I did not have this when I was younger. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. But that's just my little spill. They have a Japanese garden. As you can tell, look at these leaves. So cute. Yeah. You can hear echo? We found a rock to sit on and some shade. Ooh, let's take a break. Ooh. We'll be back.
My sword.
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show.
Mommy, do you have your gun?
Yeah.
That wood is beautiful.
I know, right? What kind of tree is it?
Paper bark maple.
Paper bark
Like a
maple.
Like a maple? Like a maple?
Maple tree.
Oh, wow.
Remember a maple, dead maple tree? What? 1,000 years ago, cut it down.
Yeah.
And it became a nursing log. It's a little trail.
It is.
Mosquitoes.
Wow.
Mosquitoes!
It
And
is
chopping
pretty cool.
mosquitoes. It's a new trail, guys. I think that used to be an obstacle.
I think they made this into a bench so you can kind of sit down. It's pretty cool. We got this another break. Because if y'all can tell, it's hot and I'm sweating. I am sweating.
Another obstacle course.
I do the least amount of sweating.
I know. I'm
And my
sweating.
white teeth.
Yup. Yup, Emma. Yup, Emma.
I'm sweating in my pants.
Yeah, you are.
Yep, am
Me
I
too.
white tee?
I think I'm sweating too.
That's what he was supposed to say. But he don't never match my vibe,
water.
y'all. Just ignore him.
Let's explore
I'm
these
just playing.
abandoned stumps.
It's not that big of a garden, but it's still a nice space. Yeah. Yeah. It's like they haven't filled in everything.
It's not as big as Greensboro, but
No, it's not.
to me, it has almost the same amount of like plants.
Yeah. Or even more.
Yeah, they like Greensboro, they just got trees and
Right.
states.
Yeah. Right.
Got a little
Bridge,
section.
yeah. Right. No, this got way more plants, I think. That's really the garden. That's really it, to be honest.
I want to go to a break.
We're gonna go to a break. The sun is out, y'all. We are hot.
I want to go back to that break with wood. With wood,
But it's
Daddy.
good to get your walk on,
I want to go
get
back
some
to
nature
that place
in your
with
system,
wood.
to get some sun. Lupon.
Mama,
No weed.
Oh yeah, that's cute. We got some.
Daddy, can we go back to that place with wood?
Sun too, so it's not like
I'm trying to tell you, it has something to do with the soil as well.
garage. I mean, that outfit here looks good.
Yeah, it's getting a lot of sun.
Daddy, can we go back to
This is like their butterfly garden. They got a little butterfly.
Hello? Anybody in there?
Paul J. Ciener.
Paul J. Ciener. There we go.
Paul J. Ciener?
Yeah.
It's Paul J. Ciener.
Well, it is named after someone. We don't know who Paul J. Ciener is, but we can always look him up. But this is the name of the botanical garden, Paul J. Ciener. Mm-hmm. Butterfly. Oh, yeah. This cute.
Daddy, can I go back to the back? I want to store the wood.
Oh,
I
wow.
want to store the
Are
wood.
those beans? Peas? Oh, okay.
These are beans.
I thought so too.
Let me get the grass. Can we have weapons in our hands?
You got your
Just for
sword?
safety?
Yeah.
Another rock.
I know. A big rock.
It's a blue can.
They switched it up though, because they had some type of upside down tree. Remember where the tree was upside down? Yeah. They definitely switched it up. And they also have a stage. Those yellow ones, I know. Those are pretty.
No more.
Getting some more shade.
What are these? What do you think these are?
I think these are ferns.
Growing.
These are.
I have no idea.
Look!
I guess
Giant peas!
peas?
Giant peas!
Maybe.
Giant peas!
Look how the tree's grown.
Wow.
Grown like spiral.
Yeah. I wonder how they got that.
They wrapped it around. Look, it came from that plant.
Like
Yeah.
from
Very
like,
intricate.
PBS, remember?
Yeah.
And you had one of these and it helps and then
Okay.
you grab the cap.
This is a stage for you to do some
Exercising.
Look at the ladybug. Hiding in there. Got to do me a little frolic. Let's go! Whoa. You frolicking? Come on, babe, give me a little frolic.
That's like the skip.
We're going back up. Well, this is really the end of our tour. The end of our tour. Our end of our little time at the Botanical Garden.
Can we
We will see
go
you next time.
back to the wooden?
Actually, we forgot about this part. They have a little section in the parking lot. The garden map.
Where can we go?
We right here. This is where we are right now. You see the parking lot?
Now we need to go to here.
That's where we are. Oh,
We need to go to that place.
That was where we just came from with the stage.
yeah.
So we were here.
Yeah, we just walked that trail. That's where we just walked.
They also have upcoming events and things to do.
Trees everywhere. So that's where we need to go.
And then they have this little extra nice spot filled with trees. See the parking lot. And then you can come into this space. Nope, they didn't have this.
This is like game.
Oh. So pretty. I love the design. Okay, so much inspiration from my own garden and space. When I can get my hands, when we can get our hands on some lands, okay. A beautiful space, a therapeutic space, a healing space, peaceful space, a loving space for families. Okay, just like this. This is a beautiful space. So cool.
Let's go on a secret trail up there. And a secret trail, right?
Yeah.
This is a secret trail. It's a gaming trail over here.
It smells so good over here.
Let's go all the way back to the first place.
It do. I said the
same.
same thing. It smells so good over here.
A shrine wood with my sword,
My
okay?
sexy
Okay, Mama?
husband. You're welcome.
Try to dig the wood out.
Woo!
Game trail!
It is so nice out here.
No,
We should have just brought
Trail!
some food and stuff. We could have had a picnic if I would have known this space. It's like a clear little space out here. You can have a nice little picnic. We'll come back and have a picnic here. So nice.
Yeah, let's go over there.
So beautiful. Uh-oh. I think they found a secret trail we're about to go through. It leads us back. I know. So beautiful. We need some sugar water.
Let's go that way.
Oh, look.
Oh.
You can kind of get a little stages.
Yeah. Oh, there was.
Let's go that way.
We need to go back this way.
Why?
Because this is the way that we need to be going.
Hello. Whew. It feels so good.
Places where I can swim with.
Look at these.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's what it's going
This is nice.
Let's go
Huh?
back
Neighbor got
and let Beta
Oh, they do?
enjoy it, okay? Okay, Daddy?
So actually, that is the end of
Let's
the
go.
video.
fully explored last time.
Yeah, we didn't get to truly like fully explore it. The next time we come here, we're just gonna have a picnic or something and chill out.
No, Daddy, let's
But-
go. There's a wooden place.
It just feels so good, this wind and stuff,
Come on.
and just being outside. Oh, I thank God. I thank God for a beautiful day, a sunny day, time with my family, being out in nature. The earth is still here, preserving us, loving us, caring for us. That we can get up every day, that we can breathe fresh air, that we can put on clothes on our bodies, that our bodies work, that we are healthy, that we are mentally healthy. There's so many things to be grateful for today. So many things to be grateful for today. Choose one. Choose one.
Yeah, you got a
Sweat
headband.
check. Oh my goodness. That means that we had a successful day. Okay, if we sweating, that means we burned some calories. That means we've gotten our vitamin D. That means we've gotten our nature time. Okay, I'm happy today.